Ah, so, math. How does math brainwash children? Well, you see, in math class, there's kids who aren't good at math, who are really good at math. And I was really good at math. And there are people who suck at math, just can't get the concept. Math depresses them. Well, effectively, teaching math to, I'm talking about advanced math, algebra, stuff that people are using in their life, rather than learning, how to actually manage their lives in the future. We teach them these advanced theoretical, conceptual forms of math in high school. What it does is it gives everyone either an inferior or superiority complex. They either do this because they were taught about evolution, that all men are created equal after all. Nothing anti-American about that. Or they notice that some things are just too complicated to understand, and they check them off as things to give up on. So, another reason for math is to repetitively instill credibility on undue theories, on unproven theories. Math convinces you that you can draw actual scientific conclusions without the use of real-world experimentation, without testing hypotheses and verifying results. You can just mathematically conjecture something, and if the math works, it must be so. I had a lot of good math teachers. They taught me that math doesn't always work in reality. But we had a lot of fun with a lot of them that you should too. I don't really feel the need to explain some basic concept. This is not a really certain